Hello, welcome everyone. My name is Coach Amos Mahoklo. Gunuvi and I'm to assign Today is going to be a continuation of the video we did previously that we were able to count from 1 to 10. And so I taught you people how to count from 1 to 10. And if you have not watched that video, I want to urge you to go back and watch that video because you need the knowledge for this continuation. So that's the lesson 1 that we did on how to count numbers in the Ogbàn language. All right, so if you watch the video, it's really going to help you understand what we are doing in this current video, because the knowledge from there is going to help you to catch up with what we are doing right now. All right, now let's continue. My goal is to teach you how to count from 1 to a million in the Ogbàn language, but then we are not taking everything at once. We are taking them bit by bit so that you can digest them and understand how we go about counting numbers in the Ogbàn language. Today we're starting from 11, and now as you can see it's on the screen. So 11 is called Wídòpó. Don't forget what we have done in the previous video. We called 1 Dòpó or Ode, but we just want to stick to that Dòpó. 5 plus 1, then you have 6. Awe. Awe is called 2. Like 2 and 5. That's 5 and 2. That gives you what? 7. Now for 11, just simply Wídòpó. You assume that we to be 10. Wídòpó. So we have 11. Wíawe, Wíatọ, n-nùkún-ẹ, Fọtọn. So we have, that one is a separate number now. Fọtọn. So you now continue. Fọtọn is 15, right? So Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó. So there are different ways to count when it now comes to like 15 upward. So there are different ways to count. So you can say Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó or Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó. Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó simply means 15 and 1. You understand? 15 and 1. Or Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó, it means 15 plus 1. Or at times, some people call it Kô-àwe. So it means 20 minus 4. Kô-àwe. Don't forget, n is 4. Kô is 20. Àwe. So 20 minus 4 is what? 16. So it means in Ogbàn language we have different ways of calling some numbers. So you will not be confused. That's what I'm making all this explanation. I'm going to stick to 1 now, and I will come back and explain better. We have Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó, Fọtọn-nùkún-awe, Fọtọn-nùkún-atọ, Fọtọn-nùkún-ẹ. It means 15 and 4. And then after like 19 we have Kô. All right, we have Kô, that's 20. Don't forget we have different ways. Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó, that's 16. Fọtọn-nùkún-awe, that is 17. 15 plus 2, 17. Fọtọn-nùkún-atọ, 15 plus 3, 18. Fọtọn-nùkún-ẹ, that's what? 19. And then the last one, Kô, that's 20. Now how do you start, or how do you continue counting from that point on? That's from 20 on. You can say this is the same pattern. Kô-nùkún-dòpó, Kô-nùkún-awe, Kô-nùkún-atọ, Kô-nùkún-ẹ, or Kô-nùkún-dòpó, Kô-nùkún-awe, Kô-nùkún-atọ, Kô-nùkún-ẹ, that's 24. And then the 25 is not like Kô-nùkún-atọ, but just like something similar, but the way they pronounce it is different. So you pronounce that Kô-àtọ, Kô-àtọ. You understand? So you don't use any other word in between. Kô-àtọ, just pronounce it like this, Kô-àtọ. And then from there you have Fọtọn-nùkún-dòpó. You continue with the pattern you started with 21. Kô-àtọ-nùkún-awe, Kô-àtọ-nùkún-atọ, Kô-àtọ-nùkún-ẹ. Then you now have Ogbàn. So people can say Gbàn or Ogbàn, that's 30. You understand? So meaning that in the Ogbàn language, all you just need to do is to pay attention to how to count from 1 to 20. Master that one very well. Or let me just repeat that. Master how to count from 1 to 30 in the Ogbàn language. And every other thing, you won't have much issue with it. Because by the time you reach 40, you still continue with the same pattern. So like that, it will be changing like 40, 80, 120, 160, like that. So that's when you'll be having changes in the numbers, because by the time you reach 40, you have n-nùkún-dòpó, n-nùkún-awe, n-nùkún-atọ, n-nùkún-awe, or you say n-nùkún-awe. So that's how you do counting in the Ogun language. So in case you don't get what I just explained, I would urge you to replay the video, watch it over and over again. If you have any question that you want to ask, do well to drop it on the comment section. Once again, thank you very much, and until we see you in the next episode, where I will teach you how to count from 31 upward. Until we meet in the next video, bye for now. I remain your tutor on this platform, Gunuvi Ambassadors platform. Bye.